Hi guys, I just got this baby in the mail and I was going to open it without doing a box opening, but I peeled back the tissue paper and I saw this beautiful box opening and I thought if I can, I wanted to share it. So I'm going to try and share it, so we'll see. So first I get this cute little hat, little newborn hat with a fuzzy ball on top. That is so cute. And a couple diapers with little Winnie the Poohs on them with a pacifier. I'm so excited for this baby. She was a custom that I had done by the same artist who painted my Magnolia Cuddle Baby. So I asked her if she would be able to paint me this because she had another one she had done that I'd seen for sale and I loved the look of it and it was exactly what I've been looking for. So here's some little strawberry mittens. A little outfit. So cute. Has a little headband. That's a little dress. Onesie dress. So cute with a little jacket that goes over it. Adorable. He came with this little elephant. He's so cute. I'm so excited. He's as big as she is. And then she has a belly plate. Perfect coloring. I love the mottling and the little pink belly button. So fun. That's an exciting glimpse into what the baby can look like. It's going to look like. So here's her COA. She's Tink. And I know I've had a few Tinks before and I actually have really been missing them. And I, a while ago, was looking through my Reborn collection because I thought I had tucked one of my Tinks behind somewhere. And then I realized that I had sold her because I was going to keep one of them. I was just kind of just like heartsick. And so I was excited to get this new one. So the artist is A-List Babies. C. Walter on reborns.com. So let's open this little girl and see what she looks like. This cute little white blanket. It says love you all over it with little hearts. Let's see if we can get her feet. Oh, she's all tucked in here. Woo. I'm so excited for this tiny baby to be back in my collection. These little toes. Her little pink feet. And a little heel prick. I've always wanted one. And that's the only thing she said. Is there anything you have that you would really like on her? And I said, I want a heel prick. Yay! And her little hand, look at her all cuddled up with her blankie. Oh, I've missed these hands. Oh, she's perfect. I told her I love how she paints her babies, how they have them, you can see the mottling. And let's see her face. Hello, baby. Oh, look at this. How adorable. Oh, And Dumbo. I didn't even notice. I'm just so excited about her. Hello. And I wanted, just like she painted her before. So lightly painted hair. And she's a little bit of a newer artist, but I'm not sure how new. But I think that her babies are beautiful. And I've noticed in the last little while that she has raised her prices a little, and that's because they're worth the prices being raised. So, oh, she's so sweet. She's so newborn-y looking, their big eyes. I'm so excited to have her. Let's see her hair in the back. Oh, she's perfect. Ah, hello. I haven't thought of a name yet. I might just name her Tink, because my first Tink I named Tink, and I really miss her, and I'm really happy to have this new Tink. Oh, she's adorable. So that's the newest girl. Like I said, I was able to get her as a custom. I have been looking for the last while for a new Tink and just wanting to find the perfect one. And when I bought my cuddle baby, I was looking through her other dolls that she had previously sold, and I saw a Tink, and I was like, that's the Tink I'm looking for. And then I was so happy when she was willing to do a custom for me. I don't know if her customs are open or if it was because I had just bought a baby she's willing to work with me, but oh, she's so cute. I'm so happy to have her. I'm so happy to have you here, baby. She's perfect. So anyway, this is her and her beautiful box opening. Her cute elephant that goes with her Dumbo outfit, which I love. I love this hat. It's kind of hard to put back on with one hand. How cute is that? What is crunching? Something keeps crunching. I think it's just the tag. Oh, she's so cute. So anyway, welcome little Tink into my nursery. We will be keeping this little girl around for a long time. A little belly plate. And her passy. I don't want to untie everything right now. I was just trying to see how strong her magnet was. So I hope you all are having a lovely day, and we will see you again soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.